What's up guys, it's Peyton with the Right Bike Southern Devil Harley-Davidson, and today I want to show you some of the CVO paints that we just got in. Our most sought after, biggest client base, Raven Fade. A standard variable valve timing CVO, already equipped with Rockford Fosgate rear audio, heated grips, and the entire Adversary collection. Pretty sick bike, just got it in the other day. This is the third one that we've had so far this year, and the only one that's actually made it to the floor. We've got a couple more CVOs in here as well, 2 more STs and 1 more variable valve timing. We've got the Road Glide Poisonberry CVO. This one's another variable valve. You've again got your rear set of speakers, heated grips, and this time with the graphite silver Adversary all around it. And surrounding this beautiful purple beast, we have our Mercury Silver CVO ST that we've already done some sick exhaust on. That's tab performance right there, man. And then on our other side over here, we have our Hot Lap, the #1 CVO ST paint. This is an absolute beauty. We left the titanium slip-ons on this one. These things are only 838 pounds from the factory. It's crazy. For more questions, call 678-721-0203, or for my personal line, 678-748-6011. Again, Southern Devil Harley, Cartersville, Georgia.